Hi there, this is Monwar Hussain from Wix Web Expert. In this video, I will show you how can you share the document or files to your designer or your Wix website designer. Uh, so let's go to, like, if you want to send some of the text to your designer, then you can go to Google Doc. Just go to docs.google.com. And then you can take a new blank document from here, and then you can write here something look like that. You can give a title there like as website fixes, and so you can write here like as your designer have done something on your website with dummy content. So like as first heading, or you can write the heading here. So if I will go to any of the website, like this is done by your designer and you want to change this text, so just copy the text and paste it here. You can change the font size from here. So this is the first text. You can just write here to replace it, like as you can type replace. Let me change the font size. Replace with like as welcome to social visibility. You can write your heading there, and so he can understand that he need to replace this text. You can give a color there or something look like that. You can give there like yes, it is old one, so you can keep it red, replace with this, and then you can write here like yes, this one is heading, and then this one is a paragraph. So you can just copy the introduction of the paragraph, and then you can go here, you can paste it here. You can just type here replace with your text, like as this one is your text, something look like that is your text. So you can write your text there, and then your designer can easily understand that he need to replace it. You can make it green so it will be more friendly, that he need to change it, make it red. Okay, so and when your fixes will be done here, you write all of the fixes there. You can include here some of the pictures from your computer if you have anything, like yes, I am attaching a whatever this is, like yes, you want to update it, so you can include the picture as well here, whatever you want to do. So when this will be done, then just click share, and then you can write here his email address. Otherwise you can go here restricted, make it anyone with the link, then just copy the link is already copied. So you can just go to your WhatsApp or your email and send this link to your designer, so your designer will receive an email and he can see the fixes online. And if you will change anything there, then he can see it on the live doc file. So it's more easier to do the fixes or something look like that instantly. Okay, so look like that way you can give or you can send the fixes to your designer very easily. Okay, so have a good day. Bye for now.